Manufacturing durable thin film coatings since 1999, AccuCoat Inc. offers custom coatings on glass, plastics, and metal substrates. Providing prototype design through high-volume production, we work closely with your team to deliver exactly what you need.
AccuCoat's been in business for 20 years, handling industrial, commercial, military, medical, and applications in your daily life.
We have the capacity to handle demanding requirements for most high-tech applications. Our team was one of the first to focus on coatings for autonomous vehicle technology. Our facility also has a fully automated ultrasonic process for delivering perfectly cleaned optics every time. AccuCoat's experienced design and production group work jointly with your project team to ensure successful on-time delivery. We continually invest in state-of-the-art measurement equipment to ensure every order meets your specifications.
We will have products that coatings going on to telescopes, medical, small cameras that someone might swallow, coatings that go up into satellites. So gotta say, it's very interesting work.
With satisfied customers in 36 countries across the globe, we are ready to solve your challenging coding questions. For a complete look at all of our capabilities, visit AccuCoatinc.com.